It's a bold statement what I said in the title. It's pretty bold, but being desired by every woman is not as hard as you think it is. See, there are certain desirable traits every man can have, can own, that you can build up, that I would say 9.5 out of 10 women desire and want. And when they spot these, they can't help but chase. Today, I'm gonna show you those traits. Let's hop into this. Number one, you gotta earn more than her. Look, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but science tells you just that. Even professional women, women that are high earners, still desire for their man to be a higher earner than them. It is like ingrained in their biology, because us men, we've always been biologically the providers. Therefore, they see men that earn more than them as being more capable to provide, and that, to them, it's attractive. Number two, having above average style. Look, you gotta understand that the bar is set so low for men, it doesn't even require you to put on a nice turtleneck and a nice suit and all this. You don't even gotta put in that much effort. You pull out a nicely fitted, plain white or plain black tee, just a solid color that fits nice, makes you look athletic, makes you look jacked. Pair that with some nice jeans and some white sneakers, you already are better dressed than 95% of the men. This same concept is what started our company, Essentials. I wanted and created the best t-shirt in the world, because I knew just a single t-shirt could make a man dress better than everybody else. And our t-shirt, well, does that beautifully. We have sold over 300,000 of our bamboo tees globally, because they are the best fitting tees in the world. Not only did I ensure that they were best fitting, I wanted to use some of the best materials in the world. This bamboo cotton blend that we have, I promise you, you try it. I mean, look at the reviews. Look at why we sell out every single time. It feels unlike any other t-shirt you will ever feel. And boys, I got good news. See, I'm restructuring. Last year we had some of the best. It was the greatest year of our life, honestly, for our companies. We want to make it even better. I'm tired of this launch thing. I'm tired of stuff always being sold out. You have no idea how many emails we get on the daily. Customers that are pissed because when they go on the site, all the popular sizes and popular products are gone. Well, I want to make a change. It's going to take a huge investment. Actually, it was a huge investment. I ordered a ton of new bamboo and Tencel tees. These are by far our best sellers in all the best colors, white, black, all the good colors are coming back, plus 3 new colors. We're bringing in that bamboo t-shirt. We're also bringing in our Tencel long sleeves, which are our second best sellers. Those are just as amazing, made with that insanely soft fabric, a soft fabric that I promise you, your girl's gonna wanna steal. You're gonna become desirable. Not only because you look good, but because you feel good. Like, the shirts feel amazing. Bro, this new restock, boys, is dropping tomorrow. January 22nd. You're one of the first ones to hear this. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Number 3, give her chemistry. When women say that there was no chemistry, what she's really saying is that you were boring and that the whole date just lacked excitement. You gotta understand, women are emotional. And when they feel something was magical, she's not gonna stop thinking about you. She's gonna wanna chase you. Now, to create this feeling of butterflies is to elicit another emotion. It could be adrenaline, it could be fear. And to do this is giving her an exhilarating date, not a movie and a dinner like everybody else. Go to an out-of-the-box date, something that gets that adrenaline pumping, gets her a little bit scared or fearful. I promise you, she's going to confuse that emotion for chemistry. She's gonna get those butterflies in her stomach, and she won't stop thinking about it. Number 4, you gotta be clean. You have to be hygienic. Bottom line is, women want men who are attractive. And think about it, it's kind of fair. Who wants to date an unattractive person? Now, the beauty of it, especially with men, is that it doesn't mean you have to be physically a 10. But instead, you just need to be a man that takes care of himself, that values himself, like making sure your hygiene's on point, your grooming's on point, you smell nice, you're hitting the gym to stay healthy, you're wearing above average clothes. You do just that, instantly, you're better than 95% of other men. Number 5, you gotta be proud. You have to be proud of anything that you do. It could be sports, academia, business, your career. Whatever you do, I want you to be proud of it, and I want you to excel in it. This is consequently gonna make her proud to be with you. See, again, before women start pursuing you, she's analyzing you as a candidate. She knows that she's gonna show you off to her family. She's gonna show you off to her girlfriends. She wants a guy that she can be proud to show off. And she can't be proud of a guy that's not even proud of himself and of what he has accomplished. So you gotta be proud of whatever it is that you're doing. Finally, number 6, you gotta talk to more pretty girls. And I'm talking a lot of pretty girls. See, women make decisions in groups. It's interesting. Basically, the more girls you talk to, especially exes or just girlfriends, what ends up happening is that she starts to notice that other girls are pre-selecting you. Other girls are finding you attractive and desirable. When she notices this, almost as a gut reaction, she's gonna want part of that too, thinking, this guy has something that all these girls want, and I wanna find out too. That becomes intoxicating. That becomes obsessive to the point that she is gonna chase you. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget Essentials restock on our 2 popular items is dropping tomorrow. You don't want to miss that. That's it for me today. See you next.